I'm a New Zealand born climber. With Sherpa Tenzing, I visited both the poles and became the first person to complete the triple. I'm Amelia Earhart. I was a pioneering aviator who became the first woman to fly solo across the United States. I was also the first woman to fly solo non-stop across the Atlantic Ocean. My impacts were I broke many barriers for women in aviation and inspired future generations to challenge social norms and explore new frontiers.
Every one of us can be a global explorer by taking action, learning together for a better future.
It's not just about discovering new places, it's about caring for the world we already have.
So let's do an engaging quiz to know what our listeners have learned today.
So, my first question is, in what way did Neil Armstrong create a lasting legacy? A. Moon landing. B. Eco-awareness. C. Revolutionary navigation.
Moon landing.
Frito Kahlo make a meaningful contribution to the world. A. Solo flight. B. Moonwalk. C. Definite art. Yes.
See different art.
That's the correct answer. My third question is, what makes Canadian tradition stand out? A. Festive dance. B. Strong spirit. C. Valued strength. Anyone?
Can you repeat the question?
What makes Canadian tradition stand out? A. Festive dance. B. Strong spirit. C. Valued strength.
Be strong spirit.
No, that's the
See valued strength.
That's the correct answer. My fourth question is, how far did Ibn Battuta travel during his lifetime? A. 85,000 miles. B. 80,000 miles. C. 75,000 miles. Yes.
80,000.
What was it?
75,000.
That's the correct answer.
Repeat the answers so that others were not able to hear.
The answer to this question was C. 75,000 miles. My fifth question is, which honor was granted to Bachendri Pal and in which year? A. Padma Shri in 1984. B. Highest Civilian Award 1994. C. Padma Vishnu 2018.
See option A.
Option A, that's the correct answer. Padma Shri in 1984. Thank you.
Well, let's check biospell B.
Now, can anyone tell me the meaning of expedition?
Repeat your.
Can anyone tell me the meaning of expedition?
Rahepal Kamaj.
That's the correct answer. Now, can you tell me the spelling of expedition?
EXPEDITION.
That's the correct.
Wonderful.
Can anyone tell me the meaning of navigation?
It's navigation. Kamaj. Kamarish. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. The meaning of navigation is
Louder.
navigation is when we're going to a place and then someone is guiding us.
Somebody is
Guiding us.
somebody is guiding us.
Avni, you want to add on? Come, Bacha. Come.
My name is Avni of class 7C. Today I am going to tell the meaning of navigation. Navigation means that to navigate something.
Navigate. It's okay. Wait. Anyone else? Come.
Everyone, my name is Rehan, and today I'm going to tell the meaning of navigation. Navigation is locating some places on Earth by using step-by-step instructions from a map or a GPS.
That's a great answer. Now we will do the spelling of navigation.
Anyone else wants to tell the spellings? Wait. Yes, you come. Rajvi, come. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell the spelling of navigation. It's Navigation.
That's a great spelling. Now I want someone to tell me the meaning of accolades. Meaning of accolades. Accolades.
Anyone?
The meaning of accolades is to praise, award, or to compliment when you achieve something. Now, can anyone spell spelling of accolades?
Come, someone. Come. Word.
Accolades.
Come, Kundas, come.
The spelling of accolades is ACOLATES.
No, that's not the right spelling.
Just one. From this side. Okay. Come, Ishan.
S.
ECOLATES. ACCULATES. That's what's okay. Shall I tell this one? The spelling of accolades is ACCOLATES. Now, can anyone tell me the meaning of pioneers? Thank you.
This one asks, and he asked this complete answer. He wants to say,
The meaning of pioneers.
Acha. If I'm right,
Wait.
Young minds shaping the tomorrow.
Last time this assembly was conducted, I believe. First I've heard that.
Should I tell the spellings?
No, but wait.
The meaning of pioneers is like a legend who have found something or who have explored something. Maybe the legend.
Anyone who wants to add in? Come, Nipesh.
Big contribution towards shaping the world.
Okay, you did this, you can do it.
The meaning of pioneers is people who are the first to explore, discover, or develop something.
We initiate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They become the pioneers. So, now let's focus on India's most important day, Kargil Vijay Diwas. Let's call upon the class 6A to present an assembly showcasing their theme.
Storms, they brave the night. Their heart burns with a fearless light. They gave us peace. They paid the price. To guard our dreams, they sacrificed. Our valiant soldiers, firm and true, fought with honor for me and you. A very good morning to our honorable principal, vice principal, coordinator, enrichment head, worthy teachers, and our fellow friends. Today, we have gathered here to honor the courage, determination, and patriotism of our Indian Armed Forces on the occasion of Vijay Diwas.
On this day, India commemorates the victory of our forces over Pakistan in the 1999 Kargil War. It is a day to salute the bravery of our soldiers who made the supreme sacrifice for the nation. Now, let's reflect upon a thought that inspires us on this day of patriotism and pride. I would like to invite Bhavya and Hakirat to come up on the stage for the thought of the day. soldier does not fight because he hates what's in front of him. He fights because he loves what's behind him. This quote reminds us that a soldier's motivation comes not from hatred or anger towards it, but from deep love and loyalty for their country, family, and fellow citizens. It encourages all of us to act of love, not hatred, and value the sacrifices made for our safety and freedom. Thank you.
As a tribute to our heroes, we now present a patriotic song that echoes the spirit of Vijay Diwas.
of the 1999 Kargil War and how India achieved this glorious victory.
When and why is Vijay Diwas celebrated? The Vijay Diwas, celebrated in July, is observed on the 26th of July every year. It commemorates India's victory in the Kargil War against Pakistan in 1999. On this day, the bravery of Indian soldiers who recaptured the Kargil Heights is honored. It is marked with ceremonies at war memorials, especially at Ras in Ladakh. Kargil Vijay Diwas is a symbol of patriotism, courage, and sacrifice. Thank you.
Who played significant role in Kargil Vijay Diwas? Several brave individuals and military leaders played significant role in Kargil Vijay Diwas 1999. For instance, Captain Vikram Batra, who led the charge to recapture point 5140 and later point 4875. He made the ultimate sacrifice during the mission, showing immense courage. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, who continued fighting after being hit by bullets, showing exceptional bravery. Here, Chief Marshal Yashwant Fitness, who led the Indian operation. Thank you.
What were the consequences of this? Especially from the Kargil War of 1999 was significant for India, both militarily and diplomatically. India gained international support for active response, and Pakistan faced global criticism for crossing the line of NOC. The Kargil War Committee was set up to analyze the war and suggest reforms. Thank you.
How do we celebrate Vijay Diwas? Tributes are laid at war memorials. Ceremonies are held at Kargil War Memorials in Ras, Ladakh. Wreaths are laid in the honor of martyred soldiers. Family members of fallen heroes are often invited. Citizens, especially students and youth, hold candlelight vigils. These all are organized to honor and remember the soldiers' sacrifices. Thank you.